So far with the bleach, I've been adding in the first layer only. And so as I've been working on this, what I've been focusing on is just doing the areas that are the lightest. So you can see from my image that I have these areas on the tab and the back of the can, at the bottom of the can, that are the lightest. What I've put in so far is only about 2 layers of bleach in specific areas. So for instance, on the tab itself, I've only laid down about 2 layers. The bottom part down here, I had only laid down 1 because I wanted to make sure that I don't get too late, and also as I was working on it, again, making sure that it's like the right thickness basically. When working on the red paper, the whole focus is going to be on the lightest areas first. So again, I've only focused on those areas that are super, super light. I'm not worried about these midtones kind of going on in the tab or in the back of the can either. I'm just going to let those go for now. As I was working, again, I was making sure that I was using my brush consistently as I was putting down bleach, making sure I wasn't trying to rush through those lines at all. The other thing you might want to consider is if you drew heavy, you will want to erase any of your pencil lines first because they will show up, and now that this is dry, I will not be able to erase them. And so they're kind of stuck in there basically. So you can see, I can still see that. It's kind of hard for you to see, granted, but I can't really erase something once it's been bleached. So that's a really frustrating thing for me personally because I was kind of silly and I didn't erase those first. And so even though I'm trying to erase them right now all over, you can still see them all the way through. So make sure that if you maybe have really sketchy lines like I do, that you erase some of them where you need it to be a clean line before you go in and try to start adding in your bleach, because otherwise you will end up seeing all of those lines. So you can, again, work sections at a time, that's fine. But just be aware that you will see your pencil lines through the paper, or through the bleach, I should say, on this red paper. Focus only on those lightest areas. So again, you can see from my picture, my pop tab, or my can tab, I guess, in my can, that I have, again, these areas right over here, and again, other parts that I was focusing on first before I do anything else.